I find today that there's a lot of companies downsizing, so they don't have as many employees. Their maintenance department, they've lost a lot of that. So they're outsourcing, or they're actually trying to figure out how to get one employee to do everything. So that's very difficult for them. So they may actually be more aggressive with each supplier and asking them to do more than just sell them a piece of equipment. We can program their controls to be able to monitor, to use sensors for their equipment. That is one of the trends I see that I think will influence how we grow and how we change with our control packages on our equipment. One of the things we do with customers, we're able to do research and development. We can do it in-house. We also have rentals or demo units that we can actually send to the customer and run tests out in the field too. But that seems to really help us a lot. We can really find out not only about their product, but we find out about our own, and it really makes a big difference. For example, we've ran, probably the last month, we've had the chance to do some peppers. So we do whole peppers and blend them, and then we determine the shear rate that we need. So you deal with not only flowability, but you also deal with the particulate reduction that maybe a customer needs. What really gives us a head start on getting everything right when we put together a quote and we sell something is to be able to run some tests and do research and be able to determine, okay, what size horsepower, what size blender, what works best, okay? Do we add an inline mixer? Do we add a colloid mill? We can do the combination of those to come up with the best answers. Well, I think we go back to the fact that with automation, sometimes you need to use it to reduce your, because you have reduced workforce. Maybe you don't have as many employees as you used to. The other thing is to reduce injuries. I think that helps with utilizing automation. Also to make more consistent product. What we find is if we get the chance to put together a program, maybe a PLC program, to where we can give them a recipe or work with their formula and be able to control the speeds of a motor, an impeller, scrape surface, a combination of a pump, maybe some valves. Then you use that combination to set up a program for them. Their product becomes more consistent. And that gives us an add value to our product line. So not only can we sell the piece of equipment, but we can sell controls with it. And it makes a huge advantage for us, not only as a supplier, but also it helps the consumer.